Today's video is going to be about that topic that we had touched on before this, and that is I'm going to be shopping my closet. Because of my current situation and how difficult it is for me to get my pants on and off because of my right leg, I'm going to be doing this with one pair of slacks and showing you how by changing the top you can get a totally different look. So I'm going to walk you through it as we take a look at one after the other of these looks. The first one is going to be with a Chico sweater that is an absolutely beautiful knit sweater with some bling on it in silver and gold. And it's a long sweater and it's a really classy look if you are going to something a little bit more formal. And I have a big chunky necklace on with it, so you can take a look at that. The second look that I have for you today is going to be a look with another Chico's jacket that is more of a patchwork kind of look in black and white with some red trim and a red lining. You can do so much with this. If you change the top to a red top, you'll have a different look. If you change it to a white top, it'll be a different look. If you wear it when the weather gets warmer, you can wear a tube top with it. You can wear a short sleeve shirt with it. You can wear anything that appeals to you, something more in the style of a summer tee. And you can do just wonderful things with the look. And as I say, simply by changing out the top. Okay, and here is the third look. This is another Chico's jacket. It's a much sportier style. It almost looks like a little bit of a patchwork style. I love it. It has the red lining. This would look equally as good if I wore it with a red top. It would look absolutely wonderful. So again, it's the same top, it's the same pants, and it is with this jacket. So let me give you a little bit of a look of this. So that's the look. This is with a different kind of a necklace. It's got a little bit of glitter. The light doesn't really do it justice in here. But once again, it just gives you a completely different look. So you can have three totally different looks just by changing the top, the jacket. And once again, this top I had gotten on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to this store as well. I love tops with buttons, and I really like this one. So I had gotten this in both the long sleeve version and the short sleeve version. I had it tucked in for the last look because with the short jacket, I didn't want it hanging out. But this is what it looks like. I wish I had a better place to film for you. I will, but I don't yet, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But this is the look. The pants are wonderful. It's not your daughter's jeans. And it's got that little bit of glitter in the front. It's got black sequins on black pants. And it's a really, really nice look. I didn't put on my earrings. I should put nice chunky earrings on with it, and it would look terrific. So if you want me to continue doing the series of shopping my closet and showing you different looks that you can do, let me know. I'll be really happy to do it. One other thing that I could do with this, and I'm going to have to stop this for a second because I have to reach into the closet and get a belt. Another alternative that you have to get another great look in your wardrobe. The third look that I have for you on this one is going to be just the top that I'm wearing now. And this is the look. It's got a square neckline. And I rather like this top a lot. I got it on Amazon. And I will have a link to it below in case anybody is interested in the style. I bought this both in long and short sleeve versions. And the long sleeve version, I like the fabric a little bit better, interestingly, but it's good in both. I really like the squared off neckline. I think it's very flattering. I think it's especially flattering for us as we get older because it's nowhere near the neck and it just gives you a really nice look. So it's just another alternative that you have to get another great look in your wardrobe. And the fourth look, which I wasn't planning, is with a much more casual long sweater as well. So take a look at all of those. Okay, I have picked up a belt, and this is another way that you can do it. For this look, I like a nice low slung belt. And again, it gives you just a little bit of a different feel. And it's a very simple change. Then once again, if I want to add one more look, I can take a much sportier sweater and put that on and create yet another look. There are endless things that you can do to make yourself look new, fresh, and just a whole new look by changing one thing. Okay, so this is the look with this. And again, it's a very, very simple look. And I'm going all black. Once again, if I chose to do it, I could very easily go with a red top. I could go with a white top. And then I have this. So there are so many ways to go. These are just a few. Next time I'll show you a little bit more with a few more pieces of jewelry. I do have one other that I can show you that I have here. I usually like my jewelry to have just a little bit of bling built into it. So it's kind of a pretty piece. And if I put this on, again, it's just a little bit of a different look. And there you go. And again, I love it with this. I actually had this belt in 2 different sizes, but I can't find the other one. This one I love. This again is from Chico's. And a lot of the stuff is from Chico's, not all of it. So once again, let me know if you like it. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. And I'll be happy to do them for you. Take care. If you enjoy shopping my closet with me and taking a look at how you can really have totally different looks just by changing out the top, let me know. If you like it, we'll do it again. Take care.